Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing and opening Anydesk on both computers. You need the remote machine's 9-digit address or your custom alias. Once done, confirm network connectivity and grant Anydesk required permissions like screen recording or accessibility. You choose roles now. One machine will request control, the other will accept. Make sure you communicate the address to the remote user securely. This fast start gets you to the connection step without delay and prevents permission blocks later. You enter the remote 9-digit Anydesk address into the Connect field and press Connect. The remote user will see an incoming session prompt. When they accept, you must set permissions. Enable clipboard, file transfer, and remote input only as needed. This limits access. Then adjust session settings for display quality versus bandwidth. Choose balanced quality on slower links. If transferring files, open the File Manager panel rather than dragging the whole desktop to avoid latency and accidental exposure. You wrap up by saving any transferred files and then clicking Disconnect. Ensure the remote user confirms their input controls returned. If you need unattended access later, configure a strong password and enable Start with System on the remote machine. If the session fails to connect, verify both sides have internet, restart Anydesk, and check firewall or router port restrictions. Make sure UDP/TCP traffic for Anydesk is allowed. If problems persist, reboot the remote system. This clears hung services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.